Hey guys, and on today's video I'm taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Our second tab will say battle pass. From our battle pass, you're going to see your second option where it goes to bonus. Now before you go into bonus rewards, remember to claim everything from your regular battle pass rewards, get them all the way to page 14, then you're going to notice that bonus rewards does become unlocked. Now at this point in time, we are assuming that you already claimed pages 2 and 1, so you can move on to page 3, 4, and 5. So in order to claim all pages, and so you don't have these things that are locked, all you have to do is just press square. So on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you're going to see claim pages and close. So right now what I can do is just press square for that. We're going to see pages, and I can go all the way to page number 5 and claim everything. So that claims everything from page 3 all the way down to page number 5. So I can go on and just hold on to X in this case to claim rewards. Now you don't need to be level 200 by this point in time. And we can just equip or go next. Depends what you guys want to do. In this case, we're just going to go next. We're equipped. And you guys can go equipping or just going next. But this is everything that we got, and this will complete the entire battle pass at this point. So just to recap, everything that we just got right now was this awesome style for the skin. We also got this one right here. Let's not forget about this one right here for the fish, and we also got one for Jade, and obviously another one. We can move on to number 4, where again, it's for every single skin. We're gonna get a different type of style for it. It's just a different color. They're all pretty nice. We're gonna see that one, this one as well. Plus, let's not forget about this one. We can move on to page number 5, which is the very last one, which is what everybody's working for, and it's usually always gold. In this case, we can see that they added a little bit more into the gold, which is nice. And fish stick, for sure, this looks good with this style. For this one, I'm not a huge fan of it, but it looks pretty good regardless. Now let's say you guys went on and claimed everything, however, you're missing it from your locker. Well, just restart Fortnite or go on and close the game, open the game, or you guys can go on and change your banner, change an emote, and that should refresh Fortnite technically so you guys can see everything that you just got. And as you guys can see, here's the skin, the emote that we had from before, which is built in. And if you go into your locker, you should be able to edit the style, and then you're going to have different styles for it, which would include this, for example. It's gonna look different obviously, or you could have it without the glasses looking like that, and so on. So there's various styles for this. And just to show you one more, we've got this guy, which does include with the hat, without the hat. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys would like to know how to level up really quick right here in Fortnite, I did make a video about that, so just follow along, and in less than 14 days you should be up to level 200. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.